Hello, welcome to our first lesson. Today we will talk about the English alphabet. So as you may know, English has 26 alphabet letters, which are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these are the capital letters, and then the ones under are the vowel letters. I mean the small letters, not vowels, but small letters. So we are also going to look at the sounds of English. English has got 26 alphabet letters, but it has 44 sounds. That's why most times English is not read as it's written, as in you can't sound it the way it's written. So that's why it's very important that you learn the sounds of English. We have 24 consonants. There are 20 vowel sounds. 12 of these are short and 8 of these sounds are long. The short ones can also be called monophones, and then the long ones can also be called diphthongs. So as you can see here, the phonemic chart. We have the voiced sounds and the unvoiced sounds. So but for today, let's just look at these sounds. Okay, so on the upper part we have the vowels, and then under we have the consonants. So let's start by looking at the consonants. Okay, we have P, B, P as in P, B as in boat, T as in tea, D as in dog, Ch as in cheese, then we have J as in June, we have K as in car, then we have G as in go, we have F as in fly, we have V as in video, we have Th as in think, then we have V as in this, S as in see, Z as in zoo, Sh as in shall, J as in television, N as in man, N as in now, Ng as in sing, H as in hat, L as in love, R as in red, W as in wet, Y as in yes. Okay, one more time. Excuse me, one more time. P, B, T, D, Ch, J, K, G, F, V, F, V, S, Z, Sh, J, M, N, Ng, H, L, R, R, W, Y. Okay, now we are going to look at the vowels. So as you can see here, we have the monophones and then the diphthongs. So the monophones are the single sounds. They're short. It's just one sound and short. Okay. And then we have the diphthongs. Okay. Correction. We have the single sounds and then the double sounds. Okay, the monophones are single sounds that can be either short or long, and then we have the diphthongs that are double sounds, two sounds combined together. So let's look at the monophones first. We have E as in sheep, then we have I as in sheep, I, sheep. Then we have U as in good, and then we have U as in should, good, should. Then we have as in bed, and we have the schwa sound, the most common sound in English. You'll find it if you're learning British English. You'll find this sound most times at the end of a word that ends in ER. Okay, and in American English, normally you find this sound with a small r, because in American English the r is pronounced, so it's a schwa sound, and r is a short r sound, so it's a lazy sound, like in teacher, teacher, doctor. Okay, and then we have the as in bird. In American English there is that r sound, so it's so it's with r at the end, so it's British English bird, American bird. And then we have the O sound. O. In American English there is that R sound, so in British it's O, like do. In American English it is door. So here we have like cat, cat. In American English it's air, like air, cat, air, cat. British cat. And then we have the like up. And then we have in American English the R sound is there, so it's R, so it's far. British far, just bring the R sound and make it longer, so it's far. And then we have O as in on. So now we will look at the diphthongs. Okay, the diphthongs are two sounds put together. In British English, this is and but you cannot say no. Normally, if you have two vowel sounds following each other, you either insert either a ya sound. If not a ya sound, then it could be a wa sound. Okay, so you say ear, so it's here. But in modern English, they tend to make it as one sound, so you hear people say here. Traditional English, here. And in American English the R sound exists, so it's here. Okay, and then we have the inside the ya sound, a as in wait, a wait. And here we'll have u and u, u, so you can't say u, you bring in a wa sound, so it's u, tourist, tourist. In modern English, you'll hear people say tourist. They make it a longer sound, so it becomes tourist, tourist. The schwa sound may be slightly pronounced or completely not pronounced. And then we have o, the o e sound, o e sound. So you bring that ya sound, so it's oi, oi as in boy, and we'll have the u, u. Bring the wa sound, ow, ow as in show, show. This particular sound in American English it is o, British o, schwa and u sound. In American it's o, u, so it's show, British show. So we have air and air. We bring the ya sound, air, air as in hair. American English, the R is always pronounced, so it's hair, hair. Not good at American English, but that's it. And then we have the a sound, as in I, my, and then u as in ow, cow. There is a difference between this and this. This is u, this is u, show, o, ow, show, ow, cow. Okay, and that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time.